Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate. In the last few lectures, videos, we have taken a look about a few definitions. Now let us cover up the remaining one in that line. Section 2, Clause 18 defines rules as rules means rules and forms contained in the first schedule or made under section 122 or section 125. As previously you have seen, section 2 clause 1 defines code, and code includes the rules. Code has been defined or code includes rules. Secondly, in the same manner, prescribed. Prescribed has been defined under section 2 clause 16. Prescribed means prescribed by the rules. Here also a reference has been made to the rules or includes rules. Totally, these two definitions are based on the rules, and therefore now section 2 clause 18 defines rules. Rules means rules and forms contained in the first schedule or made under section 122 or section 125. Therefore, there is a need for us to have a look at section 122. Section 122 is the power of certain high courts to make rules. These are the power of the high court to make certain rules. How is the power of a certain high courts determined to make rules for themselves? In that manner, high courts not being the code of a judicial commissioner, which is not being the code of judicial commissioner, may from time to time after previous publications make rules regulations their own on their own, and the procedure of the civil procedure and the procedure for the civil courts are subject to their superintendents, and further or adds to all or any of the rules in the first schedule. This has been referred to the first schedule. In that manner, we have to look at section 122 defines a power of certain high courts to make the rules. These courts have the power from the time to time after previous publications to make the rules regarding their procedure to be followed by the civil courts, subject to superintendents, and made by such rules an annual alter add to all or any of the rules in the first schedule. Secondly, now as per section 125, power of other high courts to make rules. High court other than the court specified in section 122. Specifically, they are mentioning that high courts other than those court mentioned in section 122 may exercise the powers conferred by that section in such manner and subject to such conditions as the state government may determine, provided that such high courts may, after previous publication, make a rule extending within the local limits of its jurisdiction any rules which have been made by any other high courts. In the same manner, the first schedule includes orders. Here, the first schedule has been defined by a few orders, which can be understood as order 1, order 2. This contains the rules to be followed by append first schedule and the appendices to first schedule. It is pleading, process, discovery, inspection, admission, decree, execution, supplemental proceedings, appeal, reference, review, miscellaneous. In the same way, the first schedule includes order 1, parties to the suit. It has some rules defined to it, from rule 1 to and 13. The first schedule contains order 2, frame of suits, etc. Now proceed towards the next definition. Section 2, Clause 19 defines share in a corporation. Share in a corporation shall be deemed to include stock, debenture stocks, debentures, or bonds. In the common parlance or in the commercial terms, share means equity share, the preference share, or a share having a differential rights as to voting or dividend. But share in a corporation here means deemed to include shares, debentures, stocks, debentures, or bonds. Debenture means in the form of loan capital bonds. These are also embedded in a corporations as a share in a corporation. Section 2, clause 20 defines signed. Signed, save in the cause of a judgment or a decree includes stamps. This means the judgment or a decree which is signed is stamped will be considered as the signed. Therefore, up till now, we had seen from section 20 sections, and within which there were some hyperlinking to the sections which have understood like rules, judgment data,